You must be Stanley. I'm Blanche.
Stella's sister.
Yes.
Hello? Where's the little woman?
In the bathroom.
Oh, didn't know you were coming in town. Where you from, Blanche?
Why? I live in Laurel.
Laurel, huh? Oh, yeah, Laurel, right, yeah. Laurel. It's not my territory. No, liquor goes fast in hot weather. You take a shot?
No, I rarely touch it.
Some people rarely touch it, but it touches them often. Mind if I make myself comfortable? My shirt's sticking to me.
Please do.
Be comfortable. That's my motto up where I come from.
It's mine too. It's hard staying fresh in hot weather. I haven't washed or even powdered, and here you are.
Well, you know you can get sick sitting around in damp things, especially if you've been exercising hard like bowling is. You're a teacher, aren't you?
Yes.
What do you teach?
English.
I never was a very good English student. How long are you here for, Blanche?
Don't know yet.
You gonna shack up here?
I thought I would if it's not inconvenient to y'all.
Good.
Oh, traveling wears me out.
Take it easy.
What's that?
Lips cats. Hey, Stella!
Yes, Stanley?
Haven't balled in yet, have you? I'm afraid I'll strike you as the unrefined type, but Stella spoke of you a good deal.